What if I told you it's possible to escape poverty and build wealth in just 1 year? The secret is not luck or privilege, it's knowing the strategies the wealthy use every day. Stay with me because this could be breakthrough that changes everything for you. Picture this: a young boy Jeff Bezos is pitching the idea of online bookstore. It's a wild concept with no guarantees of success. At the time, he was maxing out credit cards and relying on loans to fund his vision. Fast forward today, the Amazon is a global powerhouse. While most of us are taught to avoid debt, Bezos' story is a masterclass in using resources strategically to build something bigger. So, how can someone escape the chains of poverty and start building their empire? Let's uncover the blueprint. First, let's talk about the single most important shift that you will need to make: your mindset. Poverty is not just luck or money, it is a way of thinking. Studies have shown that people stuck in poverty often operate in a scarcity mindset. They focus so much on immediate survivals that they miss opportunities for growth. Imagine being stuck in maze, only looking down at your feet. You will never find exit. The wealthy, on the other hand, operate with abundance mindset. They see challenges as opportunities and believe their potential is limitless. And here is a twist: this mindset is not reserved for those who born in wealth. It can be learned. Let's break down. Shift your mindset. You must first immerse yourself in knowledge. Read books like Rich Dad or Poor Dad or The Millionaires Next Door. Surround yourself with success stories. One study found that people who spend the time with high achievers are more likely to adopt their habits. It's not magic, it's science. But a mindset shift alone won't pay the bills. To escape poverty, you need to attack it from both sides. Increase your income and reduce your expenses. And here's where the magic begins. Think of income as a river. For most people, it is a trickle. To escape poverty, you need to turn that trickle into flood. Consider this: in the digital age, opportunities to make money are everywhere. High income skills like copywriting, coding, or digital marketing can transform your earning potential within months. Take the story of Sarah, a single mother from Ohio. She discovered online freelance platform and started offering her services as a virtual assistant. Within a year, she was earning more than double her previous salary. The internet has leveled the playing field. Whether it's freelancing, selling digital products, or starting an online store, the barriers to entry are not as much as you think. Now, let's tackle the other side of equation: cutting expenses. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest. And when I say invest, I'm not just talking about stocks or real estate. Though we will get to that, I'm talking about investing in yourself. Take a hard look at your budget. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Cook at home instead of eating out, and find ways to cut non-essential spendings. These small sacrifices add up fast. Once you have freed up some cash, the real work begins: turning money into wealth. Here is a secret: the rich don't save money, they invest it. Saving alone won't beat inflation, and it certainly won't make you wealthy. Investing, however, can. Start small. Apps like Robinhood allow you to invest with as little as $5. Index funds are great options for beginners. They are low cost, diversified, and historically offer steady growth. Over time, compounding interest become your best friend. And if you are feeling ambitious, consider real estate. You don't need to buy a mansion to start. Many people begin with house hacking, buying a duplex, living in one unit, and renting out the other. The rental income helps cover your mortgage, effectively allowing you to live for free while building equity. It's a strategy wealthy have used for generations. But perhaps the most controversial strategy of all: debt. Most of us are taught that debt is dangerous, and it can be if misused. But the wealthy understand that not all debt is bad. They use leverage, borrowing money to invest in opportunities that generate more income. Think about it. Would you rather save for 10 years to buy a rental property outright, or use a mortgage to start earning rental income today? This is what called good debt. It is an advanced strategy, but when used wisely, it can accelerate your wealth building journey. Now, here's the twist that most people overlook: building wealth is not just about money. It is about relationship, health, and mindset. Networking is often described as a soft skill, but don't be fooled by the term. It is a powerful tool. Attending events, joining online communities, or simply reaching out to the mentors can open doors you did not not even know existed. Remember, your net worth is often reflection of your network. Finally, consistency is a key. Escaping poverty and building wealth is not about one big win. It is about daily habits. Track your progress, celebrate small victories, and most importantly, stay disciplined. It is easy to get discouraged, but remember this: every wealthy person you admire was once where you are now. They were not handed a secret map, they created it, and so you can. So if you are ready to escape poverty and building wealth in 1 year, the tools are in your hands. Will it be easy? No, but is it possible? Absolutely. The question is, will you take your first step? So what's going to be your first step? Drop in comment below, and I will see you in next video.